Are you feeling overwhelmed by the complexities of the Lakeview real estate market? Wondering who you can trust to guide you through one of the most significant investment of your life? Look no further, because I have the solution for you. My name is Hugo and I'm with Coldwell Banker. I am your local real estate expert in Lakeview, Chicago, proudly serving the Lakeview community area with years of experience and an in-depth understanding of this vibrant community. I am dedicated to helping you achieve your real estate goals, whether you're looking to buy, sell, or invest in Lakeview. What sets me apart is my commitment to your personalized service and innovative marketing strategies. I leverage cutting-edge digital marketing tools, including engaging videos like this one on platforms like Facebook, Google, YouTube, and other platforms as well, to ensure that your property gets the maximum exposure. My approach is not just about closing deals. It's about building a lasting relationship with my clients and ensuring them that they feel confident and informed every step of the way. When you choose to work with me, you're not just getting a realtor. You're gaining a trusted advisor and an advocate who will be by your side through the entire process. And I understand a real estate transaction that can be stressful, and that's why I'm here to guide you, hold your hand, and ensure that you never feel alone. And from the initial consultation to the closing date, I am committed to providing you exceptional services and achieving outstanding results. Ready to take the next step in your real estate journey? Contact me today at 773-550-4846. Let's work together to make your real estate dreams a reality. Whether you're a first-time buyer looking to sell or invest in Lakeview, I have the experience and dedication to help you succeed. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video very informative and educational, please don't forget to follow us on our social media platforms, like, comment, and share it with your friends and family. And see you soon.